In today's video, let me show you how to set up the Cash App for beginners. If this is your first time trying to create an account of Cash App, let me show you the steps that you will need to follow. First things first, make sure you download the application of Cash App from the Play Store or the App Store, depending upon your device. And once the app has been downloaded and once you open up the application, the first thing that you need to do is add in your phone number or your email address. So you'll be able to see a similar screen where you'll need to type in your active phone number, or you can also choose to use your email address. Once you've done that, a 6-digit confirmation code will be sent to either of these options, and you just need to enter in the code that has been sent. In the next step, you'll need to add in your name as well as link your card. Make sure that your name matches your legal documents, because later on you'll also need to verify your ID that it can match. In the next step, you'll also need to add or link your card. Make sure you add in the 16-digit card number, the expiration date, as well as the CVV so that you can link the card successfully. Lastly, you'll need to choose a username that other people can use in order to transfer funds. So that's basically the whole process on creating an account of Cash App. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one.